1, 2, 3, funk it.
I'm back after a long hiatus, and today I'm gonna show you something great. I worked with a brand called VIVAIA. They sent me 2 pairs of shoes. They're not like your ordinary pair. These are actually made from 6 plastic bottles. VIVAIA actually has an advocacy and it's to reduce plastic waste across the globe. In order to achieve that, they convert plastic bottles and make them into shoes. This one, although it looks exactly like your normal doll shoes, they're sustainable and eco-friendly. They're sure to last long. You're also sure where they came from. Definitely not from sweatshops. I really like this pair. It comes with a lace, so it looks like ballerina flats. I used to do ballet when I was in 1st grade. I didn't last long doing it. I didn't like doing it. I didn't learn a lot. Anyway, this one is a very good pair. It's very versatile. It actually matches with any outfit that you wear it with. You can choose to wear it with the ribbon. That makes you look better in dresses, and it gives it pop. If you're just going for the casual look, wearing it exactly like this is already good enough. I really like the sizes. They fit so well. I got this in size 37. I didn't bother getting a size up or a size down. The soles are very comfy too. It doesn't make my feet hurt even though I wear it for a long time because, wait, I'm gonna take the shoes. It's made out of natural latex. The outer sole is made out of natural rubber. So, according to the tag here, it's 100% recycled. This is what you can do with your plastic bottles. Make tons of beautiful shoes. I'm really hoping that they make bags too. I also like this detail on the bottom part. It's VIVAIA's logo. It's really cute. There's also this embroidery at the side. It looks really cute. Overall, I rate this 11 out of 10 because the design is impeccable. Hey! There's sparkly glitter details, but it doesn't feel itchy when you touch it. Plus, this one is kind of stretchy. Even if your feet are wide, it will not feel very tight. Also, one detail that I noticed is that it smells different. Like, it smells organic. Is that a good way to put it? But it doesn't smell like the new shoes that you buy from the malls, because those smell like they come from the factory or they smell like chemicals, but this smells natural. I'm not saying it smells like waste because it comes from plastic bottles, but it smells natural. I guess that's the best way to put it. Let's move on to the next pair. When they asked me to select, there's a lot of options actually, and everything is good. I really wanted to pick more than 2, but I'm kind of in early life crisis and I want to have sustainable options and I want to declutter my closet. So I got a pair of sneakers. See, it fits well with this sweater already. Just like the previous pair, this one has an insole that is very comfy as well. Let me remove it first. Here, see? Again, this one is 100% recycled. You wouldn't expect that because it really looks like your poodle sneaker that has served you for a long time, I like this bottom part because, as you can see, it has some like zigzag details so that there's added friction. So I can use this when I want to run outside, and if I want to play basketball, I can at the arcade. Anyway, this is very pretty. I don't know how to show you closely. They have this little embroidery stuff. It's knitted. Looks like small VIVAIA logos. I don't know what to say. This fits me like a glove too. I really enjoyed working with this brand because they're so kind. They talk to you very nicely and they check up on you and how you're doing. Now that we're in the middle of a pandemic, it's very important that we choose sustainable options that can last us long. affordable too, and if you use my code, which is Eunice, you can get 15% off your purchase. These are the two pairs that I know I will surely use for a long time, and I hope you do your part in reducing the plastic waste. Maybe we're not gonna notice the effects right now of what VIVAIA has been doing for us, but in the near future, we will see. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Pick your season